Hey guys, wanna know how to fix your lag issues while playing Steampunk Frontier in PUBG Mobile? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step process on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now, first up, the lag could be due to several reasons. Sometimes it could be due to your game being full of cache, or sometimes the graphic issues. So we'll just address both of them right now. So what you can do is, on the bottom right, you can see this small arrow-like icon. Just simply select on it. And now on the top you can see settings, so simply click on settings right here. Now simply hit towards graphics, and once you've done that, here you can see various customizable graphics. So you can just go to better graphics, balanced, or better frame rate. Since you have lags, we can just go for better frame rate right here. And that's it, super simple and easy. Next, you can also customize it by simply select customize, select customize again, and now you can just simply select your frame rates from power saving, medium, high, and ultra, and also your graphics, so make it as smooth as possible, and maybe your frame rate to medium or high. This will eliminate any lags, and that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.